Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix CPU usage problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to open Task Manager. So from the taskbar, right click here and select Task Manager. Then click on Run New Task, select Browse button. Now we need to open C drive. Then open Windows folder and then find out System32 and just double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd.exe file, simply select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now on this command prompt window we need to execute the command and type in gp update and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Then we need to just type exit to close the command prompt window. Then go to search bar and type in cmd, or you can type command prompt. Then right click on it and select run as administrator, select S. Now this step is very important, so type chkdsk space c colon space /f. Then we need to type y, select and hit enter. Now we need to restart our system. Before restart the system, we need to execute the last step or a method to fix this issue. So simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also search from search bar run, then type msconfig and then click on OK. Now go to services tab, then check this box and then click on disable all. Then click on apply and then OK. Now from here we can just restart our system. Simply click on restart. It will automatically restart our system and it will fix the issue. That's it guys, your problem is solved.